Pacific Ocean covers half of the planet Earth. Around it, we have chain of volcanoes called the Ring of Fire. Ring of Fires is where the subduction is happening. In the eastern parts of it, in the Central America, we have the Cocos Plate undergoing subduction under the Caribbean Plate. And in Costa Rica and all around the neighboring countries, we have volcanoes creating accretionary wedges. Accretionary wedges are the sediments from the ocean scooped out of the earth crust in the oceanic crust coming to the surface. We see this pattern. Every sea seems similar to this pattern. We have accretionary wedges. We have it in Costa Rica. We have it also in the Vancouver Island and parts of the western United States and Canada. And further away from the mud volcanoes, which you see here, the images of these mud volcanoes from different parts of the world, of course. In Iran, we have them also. The same setting of the accretionary wedges and the volcanism. We will have a chain of volcanoes. In Costa Rica also, we have some of these volcanoes. Poás volcano, which is the subject of this video, is one of them. It recently became active. It has formed ahead of the accretionary wedges inland. It is a mountain 2.6 kilometers high, 300 meters wide. It is actually two craters, the northern one, which is active, you can see the region around it, and the lower one, which is inactive. They're almost similar size. The dead area around that top one, the northern one, is where the eruption has obliterated all the forms of life, at least as we know it. It's very acidic lake, almost sometimes zero. And it was a subject of the visits by the tourists through the many years. People were coming there just to see this most acidic, it's made of acid, sulfuric acid, crater lake in the world in that area. And in recent times, instead of the normal activity from this volcano, which was like this, some steam, we have seen the change in the pattern of the eruption. And we have seen evidence in this image, you can see that, of the fresh magma particles being added to the explosions of this. Since 2017, which we have studied this change, we can now prove that this new fresh magma has been involved in the eruption. We can actually show it in this diagram that before the 2017, we had the mostly gas hydrothermal reactions and eruptions. Now we have the magmatic or phreatomagmatic eruptions like this one. This is due to the magma being in contact with the hydrothermal fluids. It can be also the meteoric or rainwater aquifers in the ground and creating explosions when it comes with in contact with the hot magma. Whether this process, this new development continues, we have to wait and see. But at the moment, we have every day almost an eruption of the Poás volcano in the Costa Rica of the Ring of Fire part of the Central America.